Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. So in yesterday class, in last class, you can say we created holiday calendar. So in holiday calendar, we followed the steps as I told you that the steps to create the holiday lists are there are five states lists, which are first one is use the T code scale to create the holiday list. So we use the T code. We created the holiday list like fixed. There are two holiday types: fixed holidays and floating holidays. So we created both the holidays, fixed and floating. We created the holiday IDs as well. There is a third part, and fourth one we assigned the we did assignment of holiday to holiday ID. So now in this class I'll show you how to assign the holiday ID to PA and PSA. Means there is an assignment of, obviously you have created the calendar for holidays. So obviously for which PA means personal area, means personal area is nothing but the location. So for which location you have created the holiday ID and for which department it is going to apply. So let's assign how to assign the holiday to PA and PSA. So the way to assign the holiday ID to PA and PSA is you can go through the table value v underscore 001 p underscore m, and you can assign. So let's make it in the server. So I'll put here SM30. SM30 is the transaction code. In transaction code we'll put here table number v underscore 001 p underscore m. Okay, now let's create on maintain, put the country. So we are creating it for India. So I click India and continue. Okay, so now there are personal areas and personal sub areas. So for which location? So we created personal areas for Delhi, for Mumbai, for Delhi, for Uttarakhand, and for Bangalore. So for Delhi location, we given the personal area number was 4 times 9. So let's make it. There already the entry. This is the display page where already the entries are there. So you can see here. So now we'll create our own. You can see here 1999 Bangalore. This is our entry what we created in the last classes. 4 times 9 as well are there. This is the display view and this is the change view. So now in front of the Uttarakhand we can put the in 1989 Uttarakhand marketing. In Uttarakhand we created only one PSA, that was marketing profile only, and now in front of the marketing we'll put holiday ID 2022. Okay, again for finance department is there. Just a second. 2022 again, this is our entry only. Human resource 2022. Manufacturing. Okay, so for Uttarakhand there was only one department, marketing. For Bangalore location, finance department was there, human resource department, manufacturing departments were there, and again 2022. Yeah. Why single 22 is taking here? Let's click on save. I'm not getting my entry 4 times 9, which is for Delhi. Let me save it and continue. Again, let's click on position, personal area 4 times 9. And personal sub area is marketing. MK. Let's find it. If I can see. I clicked on continue. I can see. For Delhi location, let's again assign the whole calendar ID we created. That was 2022. 22. 22. What mistake I did while doing? So I created two calendar IDs, 22 and 23, for fixed and floating. So fixed and floating holidays should be created in one calendar ID only in 22. So I created fixed holiday in 22 and floating in 23. So that should be created in single, because we are going to assign the locations and P and PSA as well. So that should be one only. So when you are doing by, on your server and you are doing practice, so please make sure to create in one holiday ID only, right? Don't create two holiday IDs. Again, click on save. Okay. So all data are saved. So now we successfully created the calendar for a company, and we assign that calendar holidays to the P and personal areas under the table V_001 P_M. Okay, let's go back. Okay, that's it for today class. In next class, we'll see how PT02, PT01 and PT03 works. Okay, thank you so much for watching my classes, and until I'm coming up with new video, please stay tuned and take care.